guys, good afternoon. Ito guys, magluto tayo ng brown curry recipe. Ito na yun guys, ang ating brown curry recipe. Madali lang to guys. Blend lang tayo ng tomato paste, add natin salt, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, at black pepper and salt, at ginger powder. Yun lang guys, is easy.